Okay, we're going to do T now. T says T as in table. T says T as in table. Let's go over our vowel sounds again. Apple. Indian. Ostrich. Umbrella. Elephant. And we're going to do the same thing that we did with our L blends. We're going to take the T sound and we're going to blend it with the A sound. So I'll say it, then you say it. T, a, t, a, ta. Now you say it with me. T, a, t, a, ta. T, e, t, e, te. T, e, t, e, te. T, I, t, I, te. Now you say it with me. T, I, t, I, te. T, aw, t, aw, ta. Now you say it with me. T, aw, t, aw, ta. T, t, ta. Now you say it with me. T, t, ta. Now we're going to walk up the ladder and say the blends. I'll say them first, and then you say them with me. Te, ta, ti, ta, ta. Okay, now you say them with me. Te, ta, ti, ta, ta. Very good. Now let's do the B. And here on our B chart, we have words. We're going to start reading words. Now that you know what T says and L says, you're going to learn what B says, and now we can start reading words. So B says B as in bell. B says B as in bell. You say it with me. B says B as in bell. And we're going to say the sounds of our letters. We're going to review. O, 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 aw, aw, b, 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 t, 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 I. Now you say it with me. O, 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 aw, aw, b, 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 t, 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 I. Now we have our B blend. We're just going to go right down the ladder because by now you're so smart, you can just say the blends. So I'll say them, and then you say them with me. Ba, be, bi, ba, ba. Because we're blending them together. B, a, ba, ba. B, e, be, be. B, I, bi, bi. Ba. B, a, ba. Ba, b, a, ba. And now we're going to take our blend and we're going to add another consonant to the end so we can read a word. B, a, ba. Bat. Bat. You just read the word bat. Let's try another one. Bit, 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 bit. But, but, but. Tub, tub, tub. Bob, bob, bob. And Bob is a name, so he starts with a capital letter. So now I want you to try to read these words down here. Say the blend, bi, and then add the consonant. Bit, bit. Law, lot. Taught, taught. Bat, bat. Now you try this one by yourself. Say the blend, then add the consonant, and put the word together. Let's try it together. Tub, tub, tub. Now try this one. Say the blend, then add the final consonant, and blend the word together. Now let's try it. Bob, bob. Now let's try this one. Sound out the blend, and then add the consonant. Did you get let? Let? Did you read the word let? If you did, that's good. One more. But. But. Good job. Next time we'll do M, R, and F.